Today we are going to do a science experiment on air pressure. We are going to make a water dispenser machine. So let's start. For that, we need a bottle, whatever size you have, a straw and glue gun or glue. We have to make a hole on the bottle and cut the straw and insert it inside the hole. There is some gap. We are going to fill it with the glue gun or glue. Now we are going to fill the water bottle with the water. Machine is used for drinking water and is used without electricity. This machine is used with the help of air. When we open the tap of the bottle, the air goes inside and pushes the water, and so the water comes out of the bottle through pipe. When we close the tap of the bottle, it will not push the water, so the water will not come out through the pipe. The pressure outside the bottle is more. Do you like my water dispenser machine? If you like my water dispenser machine, please subscribe, like and share my videos. And for more similar videos, please check the description given below. Thank you.